Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, me and my mom,
Hi ma'am, how are you today?
You can back up a little bit.
are gonna make a YouTube video and showing you guys how to make your favorite Starbucks drinks at home. We're gonna be making the caramel ribbon crunch and the Starbucks pink drink. So the first drink we're gonna start off with is the caramel ribbon crunch. This drink has 5 ingredients. We're gonna use some Califina Farms cold brew coffee. And we're gonna use caramel macchiato creamer from Starbucks. And then we're gonna use some caramel sauce. And you want some whipping cream. And you're gonna sprinkle the Heath Bars crunches on top. And of course, we're gonna use our ice. First, you wanna get your blender and fill it up with ice. Then get your Califina cold brew coffee and pour it in there. Fill it up. Now we have the caramel macchiato creamer and we fill that in there. Put the lid on it tightly and give it a good blend. We got our cute cups and just pour it all in. Now we added some syrup on the top of it. And your whipped cream, of course. Some more frappe syrup. Put the crunches on top. And look how beautiful they look, y'all. Now for the taste test.
Real tasty, real good. I'll put that.
So now we're gonna make Starbucks' pink drink. Simple, all you need is 3 ingredients. Today we're gonna be using coconut milk, white cranberry, the strawberry kind. So this added a little flavor. So you're gonna be using real fruit. I know Starbucks uses freeze-dried fruits. And we're gonna be using raspberries too. So hopefully this comes out really good. I've never tried the pink drink before, and my mom has never tried the pink drink before. So hopefully this comes out really good. So first you wanna take your strawberries and raspberries, blend them all up. Pour coconut milk in. Pour your white cranberry juice in. And just take the puree and pour it in there. Gives it a nice pink look. Now put some ice cubes in. Stir it all around. And my mom is fancy, so she put strawberries on the side, of course. And now for the taste test.
Bon appetit!
I know damn well.
It is good.
No, hun. This
It
is not.
is.
Thank you guys for watching our channel.
It is good, y'all.
Oh my God, is this who we are? Is this what we represent?
Please like and subscribe, and watch out for new YouTubes uploaded weekly. Thank you.
You know what inspires me? Fearlessness, drive. I hate lazy people. Barb, stay in school. Don't you ever be lazy. Don't you ever complain about hard work. Work hard, it pays off.